Good morning, world. Time to wake up. Another new day is starting. Ah, that feels good. I am awake now. Time to start my day. I am out of bed. My feet are on the rug. It is a new day. I drink water. It is good for me. I feel refreshed. I open the curtains. I see the sky. It is a beautiful morning. It is a good day. Now I go to the bathroom. It is time to get ready. I brush my teeth. I make them clean. This is important. I wash my face. It feels cool. I am fresh. I comb my hair. It is smooth now. I look good. What should I wear today? I choose a green sweater and jeans. They are comfortable. I take off my pajamas. I put on my sweater. It is warm. I put on my jeans. They fit well. I am ready. I make my bed. It is neat now. My room is tidy. I leave my bedroom. I am ready for breakfast. I am hungry. I am in the kitchen. It is time for breakfast. I like breakfast. I grind coffee beans. They smell good. I like fresh coffee. I brew coffee. The water is hot. The coffee is ready soon. I toast bread. It will be warm. I like toast. I cut fruit, an apple and a banana. They are healthy. The toast is ready. I put butter on it. It is delicious. My coffee is ready. I add milk and sugar. It smells wonderful. I sit down. My breakfast is here. I am ready to eat. This toast is good. I like my breakfast. It is a good start. I read the news. I learn new things. It is interesting. I am ready for the day. I clear the table. The dishes are in the sink. I am tidy. I clean the counter. Everything is in its place. The kitchen is clean. I leave the kitchen. It is clean. Now I get ready for work. What is my plan today? I have meetings. I need to be ready. I pack my laptop. It is important for work. It is safe now. I pack my notebook and pen. I need them for notes. My bag is ready. I take my keys. I take my wallet. I need them. I put on my shoes. I tie the laces. I am ready to go. I look in the mirror. I look good. I am ready. I put on my jacket. It is a nice day. I am warm. I leave my house. I lock the door. I go to work. I walk on the street. The sun is warm. It is a nice walk. Good morning, Mr. Henderson. How are you?
Good morning, Emma.
I am well, thank you. I wait for the bus. It will come soon. I am not late. The bus is here. I will get on the bus. It is my bus. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I look out the window. I see many things. Buildings, trees, people. The city is busy. Thank you, driver. This is my stop. I am here. I walk to my building. It is big. I am almost there. I enter the building. It is bright. I go to the elevator. I take the elevator. I go up. My floor is next. I am on my floor. I see my office. I am here. I am in my office. I turn on my computer. I start my work. I work on my computer. I am focused. I have a good start to my day.